Welcome to Health Harmony Hub, where we believe that wellness begins in the kitchen. Join us in Culinary Wellness, a series dedicated to bringing you delectable and nutritious recipes, tailored to various dietary preferences. Let's dive into the art of creating meals that nourish both body and soul. 1. Veggie Delight Buddha Bowl Vegetarian. Elevate your plate with the Veggie Delight Buddha Bowl. Packed with colorful vegetables, quinoa, and a zesty tahini dressing. This vegetarian masterpiece is a celebration of flavors and nutrients. 2. Plant-Powered Protein-Packed Wrap Vegan. Embrace the plant-powered protein-packed wrap for a satisfying vegan delight. Filled with chickpea, hummus, avocado, and a medley of crunchy veggies, this wrap is a powerhouse of plant-based goodness. 3. Zucchini Noodles with Avocado Pesto. Keto-friendly. Indulge in the flavors of the zucchini noodles with avocado pesto, a keto-friendly masterpiece. Spiralized zucchini noodles are tossed in a creamy avocado pesto, creating a low-carb, high-flavor sensation. 4. Mediterranean Chickpea Salad. Gluten-free. Transport your taste buds to the Mediterranean with the gluten-free chickpea salad. Bursting with cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and feta, this salad is a refreshing and gluten-free sensation. 5. Quinoa Stuffed Bell Peppers. Protein-packed. Experience the protein-packed, quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Filled with a savory mixture of quinoa, black beans, and spices. These peppers are not just flavorful, but also a source of plant-based protein. 6. Teriyaki Tofu Stir-Fry Vegetarian. Stir up some teriyaki tofu stir-fry for a vegetarian twist on classic Asian flavors. The combination of tofu, colorful vegetables, and a homemade teriyaki sauce creates a delightful and nutritious meal. 7. Cauliflower Pizza Crust. Low-carb. Enjoy guilt-free pizza with the cauliflower pizza crust. This low-carb alternative is not only delicious, but also a creative way to sneak in extra veggies while satisfying your pizza cravings. 8. Lentil and Vegetable Soup Vegan. Warm your soul with a hearty lentil and vegetable soup. Brimming with lentils, carrots, and kale, this vegan soup is a comforting bowl of goodness, perfect for chilly days. 9. Salmon and Asparagus Foil Pack Omega-3 Boost. Boost your omega-3 intake with the salmon and asparagus foil pack. This simple and nutritious dish allows the flavors of salmon, asparagus, and lemon to meld into a delightful, healthy meal. 10. Chia Seed Pudding Parfait Dessert Delight. Treat yourself to a dessert delight. Chia seed pudding parfait. Layered with fresh berries and crunchy granola, this wholesome dessert is a sweet finale to your healthy feast. Congratulations on your culinary adventure. For more healthy recipes and wellness inspiration, subscribe to Health Harmony Hub. Until next time, your kitchen be a source of joy, nourishment, and culinary wellness.